Yes, this one's super simple, super easy for beginners. A nice little quick workout you can do anywhere, at home, in a hotel room or outside. Let's go. Doing a squat is great for your lower body, but it also works your cardio. That's why I love these full body moves, because it just helps you to just get things done. So we're not going too wide at the sides, but we want to think about just driving through our heels, keeping the chest nice and upright. The curtsy lunge, that one, it really helps you to improve your balance and coordination. So it just keeps you nice and stable. So just take your time as you're going through with a nice little light curtsy and just enjoy this move. Been enjoying the beach views today, and let me know if you want me to do some more workouts for you outside. Right, let's work these abs, let's crunch them with some nice flavor as we are doing our rotations and bringing our elbow to our knee. This is a great functional movement and it's just really good fun. I love it. So we've got the plank reaches. If this is too much and you need to come down on your knees, that's absolutely fine. Just take your knees back and make sure you're still bracing your core as you do it, as you do those reaches. Okay, let's work our abs and our arms and chest in this Superman plank as we reach forward. We really want to think about not rotating the body so much, but just really just reaching forward and putting the strength, transferring the strength from side to side. This exercise, you want to keep the abs, the core nice and braced and strong. Don't let it sag, and keep everything nice and tight so you really get the full effect of this work. Don't forget to breathe. Keep going. We're nearly at the end of the round. Excellent. We're going to take a quick break and then we're going to get back and start again. Taking this break, please like and subscribe and help us get to 500. 2 more rounds before we're done. Let's get ready. Ready for round 2? Well, then let's go. Always remember, for any exercise, you're working at your ability, your level, your speed. If you are looking to start training with weights at home, then this one in that corner there is a great one for you to start with. Halfway there now, just keep going, keep your flavor, keep crunching. Nearly there, 2 out of 3. Keep going. Second round done. We're getting ready for our third and final round. So let's catch your breath before we go into round 3. I want to encourage you to keep it strong and keep going. Let's really make this last set really work for us. Let me know in the comments if you're going to do this workout this week and how you got on. Last couple of exercises, and I want to really encourage you with this one as we're doing this nice full body move. As you're doing those crunches, keep the abs nice and tight and strong as we finish off. Last exercise before you're home and dry. I hope you're going to be feeling nice and energized and just ready for whatever you've got to do today. Thank you so much for joining us today. And I just really want to encourage you to get moving. Head over to the channel for more exercise ideas that you can do in the shortest amount of time. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. That way you can keep updated with more tips and ideas for training at home. Thank you for training with me today. And remember, consistency is the secret sauce. Laters!